Hey there, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today's tutorial is all about how to permanently delete your Exness trading account, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Note: make sure you withdraw all your funds and close any open positions before deleting your account. Step 1. Log into your Exness personal area at exness.com. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Step 3. Under Account Settings, scroll down to find the Close Account or Delete Account option. Step 4. Click Delete Account and choose the reason for closing. You may be asked to confirm your password or go through two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm the action. Exness will begin processing the account closure. In most cases, it's completed instantly. Step 6. You'll receive a confirmation email stating that your Exness account has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've permanently deleted your Exness account. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials on finance and trading platforms.